If you're looking for a wood or stained look on MDF, dark wax is perfect. For this method, you'll of course need dark wax. We are going to be using Frosch Dark Wax, which we sell on our website, and you're also going to need a wax cloth and or a foam brush. To apply wax with the cloth, use a corner to scoop up a little bit of product and then rub it into your piece. Because MDF doesn't have a grain, it doesn't really matter what direction you go in. I typically work in a circular motion. Once you have covered your piece, you need to remove any excess using a clean corner of your wax cloth. You will know the excess is removed when the cloth glides smoothly, the piece doesn't feel tacky anymore, and it will start to shine. The more you rub and buff your piece, the shinier it will get. We usually stop buffing it as soon as the excess is removed since we don't want too much shine. On these smaller pieces, you can also use a foam brush to apply the wax. To do this, we dip the brush into the wax and then rub it into the piece. Make sure you're rubbing it in versus painting it on. Once your piece is covered, use the clean, flat side of the brush or a wax cloth to remove the excess. You can leave your wax piece as is or distress it by sanding with a sanding block at a 45-degree angle along the edge. And just like that, you're ready to add your wax pieces to your pocket frame project. For more ideas on how to finish your pieces, check out our other technique videos on the Learn and Create page of our website.